Hello everyone. I would like to introduce my mother. Her name is Maria Mojo and she is 69 years old. She works as farmer. She lives in Nusa Tenggara Timur, Indonesia. My mother loves wavy handicrafts in her part time. She is an Indonesia and belongs to the Ngada ethnic group. He is a loving and caring person. I love my mother very much. Thank you. Bye bye.